Account owners or admins can assign or transfer Webinars Plus or Events licenses to users on their account. In this video, we'll show you how to do both. Let's start by assigning a Webinars Plus or Events license. This is all done on the web portal through User Management. Here we can see all of the available licenses on our account. There are different license types, including unlimited and pay per attendee, along with various capacity options. We'll be assigning one of these licenses. Let's search for the user we want to assign the license to. Here's Mara. The user must have a Zoom account and be a licensed user with a paid meeting license. Now we simply assign the appropriate license and click Save. The user will receive a welcome email, and when they log in, they will be welcomed into the Webinars and Events portal, where they can explore their hub and begin creating events. Upgrading or downgrading license capacity is this simple as well. All we need to do is add a higher capacity license and remove the lower capacity license. The user's hub will immediately reflect these capacity changes. Now, let's look at removing a Webinars Plus or Events license. When we need to remove this user's license, we simply go through the same process and uncheck the license that needs to be removed. If they have any event data, admins will be given options. The first is to transfer this hub data from one active user on the account to another user. Here is what that process looks like. The other would be to delete all of this data entirely. Before we end this video, let's be sure to reassign Mara her license so she can start hosting webinars. Finally, we want to make you aware of a role that can be created to allow users to fully manage the Webinars and Events platform. We call this the Super Admin role. Here's how to set it up. Under User Management, select Roles. Create a new role. Navigate to Zoom Webinars and Events. Enable both view and edit permissions for this role. Now, all that needs to be done is to assign users this role. Once configured, these users can log into the Events portal to view and edit all hubs, transfer events, add team members to hubs, etc. For a walkthrough of these capabilities, check out the video Webinars and Events portal for admins.